This is the way how you can boost your eBay sales in 5 simple steps. The very first step is to list your items daily. This will show to the marketplace that you are an active seller and each and every algorithm in the internet is now working on activity. So the best way to prove that you are an active seller is to list your items daily. I can prove you this by showing my traffic section. As you can see, my traffic is down by 30% by now. But if we sort the period of time by like 3 months to show you, my traffic was increased over time somewhere between February 16 and March 8. This has happened because I was listing my items daily. And when I stopped listing my items, my traffic suddenly dropped down. It means if you are listing your items daily, you can actually increase your impressions and traffic count and get even more sales on eBay. And this is very important. Just like any other social media marketplace, Instagram or Twitter, if you are active by doing something in their platform, they reward you with more impressions and more traffic. So keep listing your items daily. Even if you don't have anything more to list, you can end your listing and refresh it by relisting the same item. This will help you to reach more impressions on eBay and generate even more sales. This is all because of activity algorithm and it does count for each and every step and action you made on eBay. So it's not only for new listings, it's also for how fast you respond to messages, how fast and easy you can handle each situation like returns or not received item case. The second very important step is to run a promotions. You can start your promotion by hover your mouse over marketing and select promotions. Well, of course, you can choose a promotion between order discount, shipping discount, volume pricing, coupons, sales event and markdown. I'm running a sales event and markdown and decreasing my price by 20% to my buyers. It's not only favors the algorithm of eBay to rank your items better and higher in the search results, but it's also more attractive for your buyers. If you are listing your items, make sure you increase the price by 20% so you can drop it down because you will need to run a promotion. The second promotion I should advise you to use is advertising, and you can find it here by clicking on the dashboard. You can ask eBay to run a promotion outside eBay. It means your items will be visible in Google search, Facebook feed, social media feeds and everywhere on the internet. Of course, it costs you selected percentage of your item value. You can create 2 types of campaigns here. You can create automated, that all of your listings are going to be advertised over all the internet, and you can create a target top of search with additional controls pay per click, so you can select keywords you want your listings to be advertised. In my case, I would select create campaign in automated. Over here you can select when you want to start your campaign. I never suggest you to select continuous, because if you select like for 1 or 2 weeks, eBay will see that you are testing, you are trying. It will favor the activity algorithm and all of your items will go higher in the search results. Second, you will select all the items or particular items from price range, brand and condition. Then it's very important to select settings here, and my advice is to select adjust suggested ad rate. It means that the percentage you select here will go above or beyond the average of the market selected percentage. The average percentage in the market varies, depends on your category, but the very average of all categories is about 9. So if you select 1 here, it will be 10% average. If you want to offer lower than the market average, you have to write negative balance and suggest it to be -1% or -2%. But it's always better to select higher than the market average, so your items will be seen in the search way higher than your competitors. Of course, you're going to pay like 10 to 12%, sometimes even 18% on successful sale, but this will boost your sales. If your profit margins doesn't allow you to make profit, then stay with the markdown promotions only. Third step is to keep your quantity always higher than 2. This is very unusual, because if you keep your items 1 or 2, it says that it's almost out of stock, encouraging buyers to buy, but in my case, in my experience, I suggest you to keep your items quantity higher than 2, and this is why. You can send an offers to your buyers that are watching your items, and if you have only one in stock for each and every of your items, you are only eligible to send offer to one of your watcher. But if your item has 10 or 20 watchers, you cannot send offers to them. It means by having more quantity in stock, you are eligible to send offers to all of your watchers. And here's a little trick for you to encourage your buyers to buy your items when you are sending an offer through this feature. You can actually select all at once if you want to and click on send offers, and you have a custom message over here. So you can copy and recreate my own message and try to impress your buyers. In my case, I'm trying to get attentions from my clients this way. The first 2 to 3 words, I try to offer them something they really like, and it is cheaper and faster. Accept now to get this item with a discount and faster 10 business day delivery after the production. Of course, I have to offer them a discount again. So in this case, I'm offering 5% discount plus 10 business days delivery. If you have a high profit margins, you can allow them to make a counter offer. So once they receive this offer, they can suggest you better price by lowering the price. And you can send the coupons for your future purchases. But I'm not doing it yet. Click on send and it's done. Your buyers do receive the promotions in their emails and eBay apps. The fourth thing you have to do is to bulk edit your items, and it means that you should do it weekly or even every 4 days, but don't make it daily. To do so, you have to go to your listings, click on active, and then select all of your listings. So in my case, I'm selecting edit all my 700 listings. Wait for it to load. And over here you select all the listings again. You can work on separate listings, but you can select all the listings. Then you go to edit price. Over here you can edit buy it now price, best offer and quantity. So to make these tricks, I change it buy it now price and select decrease by. It gives me 2 options. I can decrease by amount or percent. I should choose percent and then decrease the price by 1%. Even if it's small amount, it still encourages buyers to buy, right? eBay will remind your buyers that they watched this item, that they clicked over it, and the price for this particular item is decreased. They will receive an email from eBay itself reminding that they want this item. One thing to make sure, don't type anything here, because if you type anything here, it will mess up the set and your price will go down very low. The second option is best offer. Even you do accept the best offer, select that you want to add to all best offer. It means that you made a little change to your listings and it favors the algorithm of eBay. It will show you that you are active seller and revising and editing your items often. And again, if you want to change your quantity of your listings, if your selling limits allows this, you can change it to whatever you like. You can change all your listings to quantity 2, to 5, to 10, and so on. It all depends on your seller limits on eBay. Once you've done that, just click save and close. In my case, I'm closing anyway. And once you click on save and close, submit changes. The last part of these steps is to remain your account healthy. If you can see my account, I will show you that I don't have 100% feedback score. It is just because I was selling in Corona time and I have many of negative feedbacks over there. So it lower downs my traffic and gives me less sales than I should receive on usual. But for your account health, it also counts not only feedbacks, but it also counts for account health, seller level and seller metrics. If we hover our mouse over performance and select seller level and service metrics, we can see that our seller level for region USA is above standards. We don't meet requirements for top rated yet, but we still are above standards. That is good and fine. If you reach the top rated standard, which is very easy to achieve in global and United States, you will generate even more sales. Of course, this is also counts for service metrics. If you have less returns or less item not received case, this will Also pump your account up and you will receive much more impressions and sales on eBay. I know I did not explain a lot, but if you want me to explain fully over all eBay algorithm, make sure you already subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I will make a full course over 1 hour on how to make more sales on eBay manipulating eBay algorithm.